you guys to pay a very close attention to this video, because some of us are still getting it wrong. Like I said, not every coin is worth buying. So I saw this on the platform and I want to quickly address it before people start losing their fund on this. You see, for number four, I'm going to show you how you can actually buy a coin. The coin, some of the coin is not worth buying. So this show me now. I think some of you guys, I saw it that it's already in the Bitmart and other platform. So let's say it's already in the Bitmart. Let's head over to Bitmart. Bitmart, you guys said it's already in Bitmart and also on the XT market, but let's check the Bitmart and see. So here is my Bitmart here, and I actually made a research about it and I saw it here. So this is it. Show me, and you see the current price is 0.15. So now you need to be very careful. Like I said, not all coin worth buying. So look at the price. This is the market price. This is the market price. This is the price you are buying. The red one is the price you are buying. So let's assume you click on the first person that has the nearest price, except if you want to buy on limit order, that once market come to 1542 you should buy. But for now, if you want to buy on the market order, you are buying 1541. So now let's say you are buying worth of $50, you will actually have 32252. Firstly, you check the transaction ID, the withdrawal. Let's check the withdrawal. How much are they going to charge you if you want to actually withdraw this coin? So as you can see, I have made research and that is why it's showing here. You go to Mexc Exchange, you guys know how to do it. So look at it here. This is the, you see, it's actually ethereum, and that's why I always tell you, you guys need to be very careful with the whatsoever coin you want to buy. So we actually want to buy, let's say we have 225 something, blah blah, like that. Look at, you are going to be charged a total sum of how many they are going to charge you. Look at the charges here. Pay a very close attention. Look at the charges here. Look at the charges here. This place, look at network fee. This is network fee. They are going to charge you 1298. Now convert that 1298, convert it. That 1298 is a lot, it's a money. Let's say you have 1298. Look at it. They're going to charge you almost $2, and you don't know how much the exchange you want to use, you don't know how much is going to, is they are going to be listing it. So you need to be very careful. And also, likewise, some of us are still getting it confusing here. Let me show you another one. Like for example, yesterday I wasn't available though, but some coin, I think there was a coin that was listed. I always tell us that don't just go to market cap and test and write the name of the coin. Always make use of the wallet address, the contract address. Like this ELX now, let's check, let's go to market cap and you see that many coins here are scam. So now let's try ELS here, and you can see we have many of them here. Look at them here. All of you will be thinking that all this one they are real. All of them are scam. Do not fall for them. Most of them are scam. So if you want to actually get, look at, if you want to actually get the coin, you come to the platform you are using, like ELX, you go to withdrawal, you go to deposits, and type the name of the coin, ELX elixir. So once you type it, it will take you to this. You see, it's actually ethereum, and that is just it. We are not interested in anything ethereum. All we are interested is maybe solana or bnb chain. So that is the low fees. But for this, let me just, I have to show you how to. So you click on the details here, and once you click on the details, it's going to give you this age here, and you click on it. I'm not saying you should not buy, but if you actually have a lot of money that you want to invest, maybe like $1,000, you can buy. But if you have maybe like $50 or something, how much are you going to make? You're not going to make a lot of money, so it's not advisable to go for that. So for now, we have 22 orders, meaning that it has not been listed in any exchange, this ELS. You look at the contract address here, the token contract here. Look at the contract address. You copy the contract address. Let's copy it, and once you copy the contract address, you go to market cap, maybe it's already listed, and you see, as we type ELS, look at all this one pop up. But let's clear it and put the contract address. Before you buy any coin, look at it. There is nothing like that here. There is nothing like that here. So let assuming the coin is the one you type now, is all of them are scam. Because if you buy from those people and you want to send back to this, you are going to lose your money. You are going to lose the contract address are not the same. So there it will end up in losing. So for, let's check example of another coin. Okay, let's say this paper cards, I think most of us make a lot of money with it yesterday, though I wasn't in good mood in trading. Let's say we want to, for these paper cards now, as you can see, we have Solana, and once you, let's copy the wallet address, let's copy it and copy the wallet address. So that is good. It's very good to be making use of wallet, the contract address, sorry, not wallet address, the contract address, to be searching for the coin, not typing the name. I'm going to show you now. Where is the contract address? I think it's down here. Okay, the token address, here is it here. Here is it here. So I copy it and I head over to market cap. Now the first thing is, before we place the contract address, let's search for the name of the coin first. You will see a magic now, though I've not searched it yet. Pepper cats, pepper cats. Look at it. You will see many of it here. Some of these pepper, some of these, they're actually a scam. If you view everything now, you will, some people will just made a mistake by typing it, and they will use a fake like this one now. Like this one now is actually fake. This one is also a fake. This one is a fake. Now let's now paste our contract address and see. Okay, you see, this is the original one now. Look at it. Look at, this is the original one. This is you see, everything is now showing mellow. Everything is, look at the volume and liquidity. Look at the liquidity. Look at them. And before, you will see many of them like that. So don't make the mistake. For this now, let's say we want to, since it actually was Solana, I think yesterday it was listed 0. It actually went up to 0.05 because people actually made, I saw some good comment on the platform. People actually make a lot of money using this. So let's say you want to buy from this, you go to your Phantom wallet. Phantom wallet, I think I also bought yesterday. I think I bought this coin yesterday actually. So go to your Phantom wallet And after watching this video, I don't want to hear maybe how to buy, how to this. Just once you just pay a very close attention, you are going to get everything right. So most of you people keep asking the same question every day. You don't pay attention to something, and that is why you keep asking same question. So here is the I think this is the account I used to bought yesterday. Let me see the transaction. So I'm going to click here. This will show me the transaction I made yesterday. Okay, yes, I actually bought yesterday. I bought what of is it $20 or something dollar yesterday. Look at it. I'm actually making transaction. So now as a beginner, after you create your account here, this is Phantom wallet and this is Solana. Since we are in bear market now, I don't actually keep money on Solana much because it's going to go down. I kept some funds and they actually dropped. So anytime I want to make use of it, I will just quickly swap. I will swap and send here, and whatever I want to buy, I will purchase quickly and send back. So the first thing you will find your account in zero. So you click on this place, you click on this search button here, and once you click on the search button, it's going to take you here. You click on this top here, this site I'm talking, just click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to, it's going to show something like this, but yours is not going to show radium. Look at mine now, it's showing radium. Just type radium, just type radium here at the top here, radium. So it's going to bring out the radium, and you click on it. So look at it, it's going to bring out the radium. So look at it now, you just click on it, and once you click on it, showing me $2. Sorry, my network is a bit slow. So now it's going to, the radium is going to connect to your Phantom wallet where you have funds in. Immediately it will connect. Sorry, my network is a bit slow. That is why it's, so now it has connected. Look at it, it has connected here. The first place you have your Solana. The second place is where you are going to use for the coin. Let's say let's so as you can see, it's actually take me, let's cancel it. So you click on this place, you click on this place, and once you click on this, you see you paste the wallet address, the contract address of that. It's going to bring you the coin immediately, and look at it. You just click on the coin, add token, and click on the coin, and the coin is going to pop up. So as you can see, the coin has pop up like this. So you click on it, go ahead, confirm. Remember, we actually copy the contract address from the exchange we want to send it to. So don't ever make a mistake of typing the name on the market cap because you are going to copy a wrong contract address. Please take note of it very well. It's very important. So once you already have Solana here, let's click on for maximum. Let's see, I I have $1 here, and I want to purchase. It will take me to this. Once I click on swap, once I click on swap, it's going to swap, and after the swapping, I'm going to see it here on the dashboard here, and if I want to send it, let's say it's a Polygon. Let's say we bought the Polygon, making use of example of Polygon. You click on it, and you see send here. You see send here, you see send here. You click on the send, you click on the send. Then now you now head over to your exchange that you want to make use of. Let's say, since we are making use of this, it now you will now click on this. You now click on this. Let's click on it. Now let's go. Sorry. Here is it. Once you just paste the contract address and it's going to show up. Then once you click it, you say invalid because it's not actually the. So that is just exactly how you can purchase a coin using the contract address. Please and please be very conscious, be, be very careful of the coin, any coin you want to purchase. If anybody send you a coin name on the, please do not, anybody send you a coin contract address, don't accept. Always verify from the exchange before you go ahead and purchase anything. Please and please, we are here to make money, we are not here to lose money. It will not be good enough for us to have a very intelligent people here and still be losing money. You can always ask your question and the community will answer your question. Please and please, I am begging you, please. I don't want to hear any negative about the community. Please, let's build this together. So if you have any question or you have anything to discuss, you can actually reach out to me and I will give you a proper response. Thank you.